Could be anything. Lip product, highlighter. I don't know. I need to see what the pamphlet has to say about that one. Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior, aka Julie here, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 53 years old and love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you're curious what is in the Lookfantastic October 2020 box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so this is the Lookfantastic. This is the outer packaging. This is a rather new subscription to me. This is my second, maybe third month. Inside is another box, similar to the glossy box, shape and size. The nice box that you can reuse to either store items or gift something to someone. Right, this is what the box looks like for the month of October. This is a $19 a month subscription where you're guaranteed at least $60 worth of items. This box is from the United Kingdom and is 15 pounds something and is $19 US. It comes once a month and you are guaranteed at least $60 worth of products. Let's dig in and see what we received. It comes with a lovely booklet which will have pricing, I believe, in pounds, so I may need to do some calculations to get it into US dollars as well. If anything is a sample or travel size, I will do some math based off of the milliliters to figure out what the value of the item I received is compared to the full-size item. Wow, this box is packed to the rim. Take a little sneak peek here. Alright, what is that first item that fell out? This is BubbleT Bath and Body Earl Grey Bath Tea. Oh, what's a bath tea? It feels like bath salts. Alright, let's read what the pamphlet has to say. Alright, the BubbleT or BubbleT, not quite sure how they want you to pronounce that. It retails for £5.99 and it says how to use. Place into warm running water and allow a short time for product to diffuse. Alright, that would be nice. Honestly, I can't tell you the last time I took a bath. I'm a shower girl, but I will maybe give this to my mother or put it aside for a future giveaway. Alright, next item. Alright, so we have a mask of some sort. It says Starskin Eye Catcher, Smoothing Bio-Cellulose Eye Masks. Awesome. So I don't use face masks, but I do use eye masks. So I'm excited to give this a try. See what the pamphlet has to say. So the Starskin Smoothing Bio-Cellulose Second Skin Eye Catcher Mask is worth £4.25. There is a variation on this box. I could have received a Beauty Pro Eye Therapy. So I received the red one. I could have received this. Alright, next item. And it's quite large and took up almost the entire box. I am not sure what this is. It says Glow and Relax. Oh, it's a soft hair wrap. Alright, let's see what the pamphlet has to say. Alright, here is the next item, which is large and took up almost the entire box. This is from a company called Glov, and it's a hair wrap, and it's worth £14.99. The Glov hair towel is made from innovative microfiber technology that is more gentle than regular cotton towels. All right, that will be interesting to try as my hair Thank you, COVID is growing longer and longer. Products like that will become more beneficial. All right, next item. Ooh, it's small but heavy. What is this? Overnight foot cream. I love a good foot cream. Let's see what the pamphlet has to say. This is from a brand called ECOOKING, the overnight foot cream. This is 30 milliliters and retails for £8.10. I always forget what they call that. £8.10. Comment down below if you're from the United Kingdom and for whatever reason you're watching this crazy, silly American do an unboxing of a British beauty subscription. Please let me know what we in the United States refer to as cents. When something is £8, period, something, something, are those pence? What are those called? Let me know. All right. Or if you're American and just more well-traveled than I am, let me know as well. All right. Back to reading what this is all about. It says that the ECOOKING foot cream removes dead skin and moisturizes all at once with a refreshing eucalyptus scent and menthol to soothe and cool the skin. It is vegan and dermatologically tested. All right, well, I will put this to the test because I have very dry heels, and yeah, so if this works, I will let you know because my feet are going to put it to the test. All right, TMI, on to the next item. All right, what is this? We have a little sample here. It says Balance Me Soothing Serum. All right, I love seeing the word serum. Let's see what the pamphlet has to say. This here is the Balance Me Bakuchiol Serum. It's 7 milliliters, and it is 100% natural, plant-based retinol alternative, and it provides all the anti-aging benefits without the irritation. OMG, I love a serum, and with retinol for anti-aging, love it. It does, oh yes, and this is worth £11. Wow, that's pricey. All right, next item. Ooh, what is this? Could be anything. Lip product, highlighter, I don't know. I need to see what the pamphlet has to say about that one. All right, so, oh, I just saw who this is from, and it's a pricey, expensive brand. This is from By Terry, Baume de Rose, Flaconnette. What is that? And this is 14 pounds. It's a travel-friendly version of By Terry's signature lip balm. Okay, so this is a lip balm, which combines luxury and protection. It's infused with shea butter, rose flower wax, and vitamin E, and it glides onto the lips effortlessly whilst providing a subtle shine. I love the Brits. Whilst. You don't see that word very often. All right, I'm excited. Does it have a scent? Oh, oh. It smells like grandma. I don't know. If you're my age or older, you'll know what this scent smells like. If you're younger, it smells like the Coty Airspun powder, which I guess is that rose scent. I'm just not used to that scent in a lip product. Not horrible, but it just reminds me of grandma. Okay, let's recap. So we got an eye serum here. We got from By Terry a lip balm in interesting packaging. It's packaged as if it were a lip gloss, but it's a lip balm. Never seen that before. We got a foot cream, which I'm excited to try. We got some eye gel masks. We got a tea bubble, kind of like a bath salt product, and a hair towel. Comment down below. What are your thoughts? Do you think this was a good box? I'm going to list on the screen all of the products along with their sizes and pricing. Let me know. Do you subscribe to Lookfantastic? Have you been checking out unboxing videos because you were curious if it was worth $19 a month? I'm still in the new phase. I'm going to get a few more boxes and then make my final decision. But for now, it's okay. I think for that, at that price point, it's verging on what you would get in a BoxyCharm or a Ipsy for $6 more. I don't know. We'll see. All right. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please leave me a comment and give me your thoughts on the box. Let me know if you would subscribe or if I should continue. If you haven't done so yet, I would love if you would subscribe. And for those who are subscribed, please click the bell icon so that you're notified of future videos, and click the thumbs up button. All right, thank you so much. Have a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. See you later.